In summary, you should now be able to describe the steps needed to conduct research using the Big Six process. The research process doesn't need to be tricky. Just follow the Big Six. 1. Define your task. 2. Brainstorm. 3. Find your sources. 4. Use information. 5. Synthesize. 6. Evaluate. Didn't memorize the steps? No problem. You will receive a Big Six handout upon completion of this lesson that looks like this. The handout will have all 6 steps of the research process in an outline form. You should complete steps 1 and 2, which are task definition and brainstorming information-seeking strategies, before coming to the library. Once you come to the library, I will help you with steps 3 and 4, which include finding your sources and using your information. Steps 5 and 6 you can complete on your own. On the handout, you'll also see relevant online resources that will help you as you complete your assignment. This has been a quick introduction to the Big Six research process. See you in the library.